What's up, guys? So we got the 2002 Mustang. I'm gonna show you guys real quick on how to replace the rear brakes. Alright, once you jack it up, you're gonna take the wheel off. On mine, you're gonna need a 15 millimeter and a 12 millimeter. So let's start off by removing the caliper bolts. The bottom caliper bolt, you're going to need a wrench because the e-brake. I'm going to leave it in right now because I'm about to take off the brake line with a 10 millimeter. There we go. Alright. I'll continue with the bottom caliper bolt. I'm gonna wiggle it out. Wiggle it out. Alright, there we go. Let's see, get that out the way. So we're just gonna lay it right here. Pull off these old brake pads. We're going to take off the 2 bolts in the back. Alright. That's off. I'm going to lean this up so I'm not losing as much fluids. And if you look here, we got the e-brake mechanism. So there's a little clip. We're going to use a flathead, pry that little C-clip off, and then we're going to pull and take it over. There we go. This is the piece. So I'm going to take this spring off with a 10 millimeter just to make life watch out, because it will shoot out like that. Alright, this bottom part goes in, and then this cable should pull out. Let's get our pliers. Here's our new one. So the way to differentiate the rears from the front is they have a bigger lip, a taller lip. I'm just gonna spray it with a parts cleaner. Just wipe it down, flip it over, wipe it down. Alright, we're gonna grab our new caliper setup right here. On the new ones, they are 14 millimeter. Separate the mounting bracket from the caliper. So we're going to remove our brake line bolt and then put our new rotors on. Rotor is on. You can grab a lug nut. Grab our new pads. Comes with these little brackets. Just gonna put them on each end. Just like so. You got this bracket, goes on the back, just tucks in, and that's pretty much it. Alright. So you gotta push these in to make it have room for the caliper. Grab our new 14 millimeter bolts. With the wrench. Oh, just like that. Now we're going to connect our bleeder, our brake line, brake hose, the 10 millimeter again. Just like that. Through there. We got our little C-clip. Where did I put it? There it is. And then just loop it through the back right here. so you can see it. It's right here. Just pull, slide it on up. Now we're just gonna wipe it down again, spray it, wipe it. Now we're going to get our 11 millimeter and our bleeding device. So we'll try this this way. I'm going to hop in and push on the brakes. Luna, come here. What are you doing? Make sure while you guys are bleeding your brakes that you always keep an eye on your brake level. That way you're not pushing air back into the system. So that's basically it, how to change your rear brakes on the 2002 Mustang. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I will link all the parts I used in the description. And as always, have a great day. God bless.